the second quote-unquote tutorial on the DIY intranet thingo project. So today I'll show you how to convert this into something a bit more useful, and for that purpose I have created a new file called the db_connect that is right here, that has a function that will do the querying of the data from the database for us. So it makes it a bit tidier, so I don't need this every time I want to get some data in this, and it's a better way of controlling other things that you'll see in the future, like maybe catching some errors and exceptions, which I might cover, might not. We'll see how that goes. So we got this little function that runs queries SQLite and asks for a query to run and spits out the data, okay, in an array format. That is all beautiful. So how do we do this? Well, I'm gonna modify this page. I'm sure you're quite comfortable with this one if you tried the first tutorial, quote-unquote. I'm not sure that tutorials, demonstrations, whatever, you got the picture. I don't need this prepare statement at all. All I need now, query, is a variable that will keep this query for me. Okay, so I obviously need this because this is what I want to ask from the database. I don't need this execute anymore. Now this I still don't need, and I don't need these things either, and don't need the close the database connection either. So now I need to include the new function, and there is a built-in PHP thing for it, and we're going to include db_connect. So this script can make a use of this new function. Okay, right, rather easy and straightforward. So once we are here, we are going to have product array. That's where we're gonna store everything, and it's gonna run this function, and we're gonna use the query from here. So everything's kind of the same but better. So I'm gonna move this back a notch. If you're curious how to do that, usually it's select whatever you need, press shift and tab at the same time. I don't need this while function from the database PHP, because it's here. Okay, so delete that. What I need is to iterate through the product array, which we're gonna use a built-in command of PHP, and I'm gonna just do that. Don't worry about it, but it's kind of self-explanatory that we're iterating this into this for every entry. It will just go through it. Rather straightforward, no magic involved. So what I'm going to be doing here is just replacing the trim and row with item, and this will correspond to every entry, and remove these, and you're done. So that's simple. So we're kind of streamlining the process so it's cleaner and better, and whenever we need to change things, we just change it here, and it's gonna have the changes across our little intranet thingy. So let's see if it runs. F5. I've made the page a bit bigger with zooming in so we can see better. So press, here we go, same result. Yeah, so that should be quite straightforward. You can try it on your own and play around with that. And what else? I'm thinking to rather than using SQLite, which is super convenient, next time I will be using ODBC connectors to actually interact with your Excel and manipulate data from there. So yeah, there is that. And if you don't know, I am using XAMPP. It's a Windows web server, which I did mention the owl install in the previous video, I think. But yeah, that's it. I am rambling again, so I think that will be enough. Alright, play around with this. Let me know if this works for you or not. I'm trying to take it step by step, super easy, so you can, you know, follow if you can. Alright, cheers, that's it.